this video, we will show you a tour of our vertical garden in Minecraft. After all these stairs, we find our vertical garden. In this garden, we grow basil, coriander, carrots, wheat, potatoes, and many other crops. As you can see, it has a fully working mechanism, which we built using sticky pistons and redstone. As you can see, we decided to use water dispensers so that we don't waste any water. On top of our vertical garden, we find a house. In this house, we are planning to store all the food once it's ready to be eaten. And as you can see, the house has a very modern design. In front, we have a pool just for fun. Besides the pool, we have a chicken farm. We decided to build this to have a more organic life by producing our own chicken eggs. Here is our group sign. Further up, we have another farm. We decided to build this other farm with pigs to produce our own organic meat. At the back, you could see our beacons.